Hello, everyone. Good morning, wonderful London morning. Good morning, Camille and Joy. Welcome, everyone, and huge applause. How are you guys? How was yesterday? I wasn't here in London, and then I was here in the New York session. I mean, I was not streaming because CPI messed up everything so much that I thought that if I just start the stream. Where was CPI? Let's check it. Okay, so this was CPI, right? Yeah, this here. Let me go to the 5-minute. So after CPI news, I thought that okay, after news release, there's not going to be anything until we're not going to reprice this area. So, and I entered the long position here, and then I entered the short here, but it was after the AM session. It was pretty much around lunchtime, as you can see. So if I would have streamed from here, we would be just sitting around. At least I would be doing nothing. I have a story. All right. Give me the story. I'm listening. Give me the story. I can give my input to any story. Let me know. And even if I get some critics or something, I'm even open for that. So let me know. Okay, so as you can see, look at that. Look at the Asian session. A total flat line here. Like absolutely nothing. Nothing is going on here. Both on NQ. Wow. Not much. ES is also flatlined here. Buy side liquidity at 49.88 on ES. We had some pound CPI this morning, I guess. What the heck is this here? 17,763. 17,000. Okay. So I'd like to see this order block being taken out. What I mean by that is well, there's still a fair value gap here. By the way, guys, push the like button. So there's still a fair value gap here. It starts here and ends here. Let me give a different color. Alright, so I'd like to see that area as a liquidity zone to be repriced. Actually, it's a little bit higher. Let's see, the high of this candle is 91.75. 91.75. Let's give it that, 91.75. Alright, so this is the area right here. Target 91.75. That can be an interest. Okay, so the funded trader at 10k night funded with the funded trader. Ah, that's my favorite. I must say, I love when Camille tells a story. You know, you have great jokes and everything. My favorite prop firm. I closed my trade for 250 daily loss, which I have max 400 and 700 max overall. I made 500, and I thought I would withdraw. Okay. I understand. All right. I take it out. Yeah. Then get email from the funded trader. My account has been terminated because I went over my limit. What the heck? How is that possible? 10k. I mean, your daily limit should be at it should be around 500, right? How did you? How the heck did that happen? 10K night funded. Let me check the funded trader program. Challenge. Night 10K. Yeah, it has 600. Daily loss is 300. The daily loss, the night has a daily 300. The size of the maximum daily loss in the fund provides blah, 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 blah. So max daily loss. So you lost 250. So you should have left with, even here, you should have been left with at least $50 of threshold, right? So that's crazy. That is something interesting. That is crazy. And you, yeah. You had an additional, but this is not trailing, right? Sorry, guys. I took many moves in London for start around 8 a.m. I didn't start. Well, for example, let me just quickly answer. This move was pound CPI right here, and there was no entry for me here. For example, if I would have started at 2 a.m., which is the kill zone officially, I would not have any entry here. I would not have entered here, nowhere. And yeah, we're gonna talk about that. Welcome everyone, by the way, push the like. So Camille's story is very interesting. So what happened? I took my withdrawal. Blah, blah, blah. It's part of the daily 700. 500 withdraw and 254 close of the trade is 750. I don't know. The drawing counts as loss. No, it should not. I additional 1%. I'm considering going long Maverick Hay there. If it retraces into the 15-minute. Yeah, good idea. Good idea. I might consider that too. If it goes down to 724, we all should consider a long position. Let me hold on, Joy. I'll get back to you here. You took screenshots. Good morning, Zoltan. You're good. The guy explained to me it's balance based. No fucking idea what he's. I don't know. Serdar, good morning, everyone. Welcome. It seems like that this is quite a hiccup with Camille's account at the funded trader, dude. That's quite interesting, to be honest. There is a story for you. I'm going to copy this into the chat. Let me copy this. You guys should watch this video later on. It's quite interesting. About prop firms, especially. He talks about the funded trader, but he does not name it. But anyway, quite interesting video. Do you have my future funded account? I only have evaluation account at my funded futures. I have a funded account at TOPSTEP, but I'm working. If you check my video from yesterday, I did a briefing of how I'm doing. You saw that one. All right, you saw that one. So I did a brief video yesterday evening, how I'm doing with my evaluation accounts. I'm only funded with TOPSTEP right now, but I'm working on my evaluation, but with only micros. So the results I'm having, it's only using with 1 or 2 or 3 micros. So only with micros. So Camille, I don't know what to say. It's very interesting. You should, I mean, obviously, I think you have the point there. But with the funded trader program, I don't know what to think. I mean, obviously, I don't think that they are trustworthy. I think they are one of the most scammiest company out there, or prop firm. Especially if you watch this video, you will understand better. But be careful, guys, with the funded trader. But anyway, I know they have cheap accounts. I know they have some good discount codes and stuff like that. But anyway, I don't know, Camille. I don't know what to say. It's really confusing because it feels like maybe at a point, I don't know, and this is only just something I'm maybe when you closed your loss with $250 because you wrote here that you closed it with a I don't know, for 250 daily loss. Which I have max 400 and 700 max overall. You have max 400 daily loss. Even if you have 300 daily loss, whatever. Maybe, I'm not sure that your trade or your drawdown for a brief second or 2 seconds went below that drawdown, and then you closed it when it popped back into 250. And then you close it. I don't know. It's really hard. I'm just thinking out loud. But that's very bad. So anyway, guys, by the way, I'm really sorry to hear that, Camille. That's crazy. That's why also I went with futures, because it's cheaper. I mean, cheaper or at the same price. I never got any emails from when I close the trade as soon as I withdraw the fund. Now that's the scammiest part. You don't have any email that says that you broke the rule. Nothing. I'm guessing that your dashboard was saying that it's active and or something like that. So nothing was breached. I'm guessing your dashboard was saying everything is superb. And then when you want to withdraw, they just say you broke the rule. Now that is something very, very shady. That's very shady, man. So there's another example why the funded trader is the worst of all, in my personal opinion. If any one of you guys are having good experience with them, good for you. But guys, I hate that company. I'm not gonna lie. I think it's the scammiest company of all. And if you watch this video, I just pasted the link. You will partially understand why they're not interested in traders to be successful. Anyway, let's see. Does the market even move around these? Well, yeah. So I've seen, yeah. So the best volume is definitely comes after London opens. So London just opened like 2 minutes ago, and I was backtesting a lot, like a lot. So Joy says maybe I should start earlier. I understand, and I was thinking about it, but I did a lot of backtesting, like a lot. Like my whole last year, 2023, was backtesting London sessions and everything. The funded trader, Serdar, the funded trader is, I think, is one of the shadiest prop firms out there. So as I was backtesting from 2 a.m. to 3 a.m., whatever kind of entry model it was, the classic YouTube model from ICT, I was looking for order blocks. I was looking for my moving averages, everything. Many of these cases from 2 a.m. to 3 a.m. kill zone price was at least 8 out of 10 times was flatlined, or was absolutely not doing that kind of move that I was expecting. So the real moves started to happen after 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Most of the time after London opened. No. The funded trader program. we were talking about the funded trader. My funded futures is my funded futures for now it's okay. I know they have a MetaTrader platform as well. They're also offering DX Trade, which I also think that it's a crappy platform. But my funded futures so far, I love the platform. I did not have a payout from them yet, but they are having the best deals so far, including the activation fee. So if you want to grab a 50k funded account, the cheapest one, including the activation fee, is from my funded futures. Whatever you guys think or see or whatever, if you use my link and use the code $90, you can get the 50k account for $90. Yes, I know it's more expensive than TOPSTEP or Apex, but the activation fee is included as well. And if you count that too, that's the cheapest one. We still have a 71% discount at Apex, and right now they have a 1-day pass sale. So if you want to YOLO your Apex accounts, you can pass it in 1 day. You don't have to trade for 7 or 8 days, or 7 or 10 days. I don't even know how much is the. So many rules with so many prop firms. I think Apex has the 10-day rule of trading. So if you want to go in with full margin and pass a prop account, Apex has a 1-day situation right now, because they are looking for gamblers. that's the truth, guys. Expert account counts great. No consistency rule for funded account. Yeah, the expert account is especially the best one with my funded futures. As you said, no consistency. You can trade whichever position size you want. But I did many calculations, by the way, with the starter account too. And, you know, they have a 40% consistency rule on the starter account. And, I mean, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. The 40% consistency rule is not that bad after all. So, anyway, so far my favorite prop firm is not TOPSTEP, although I am funded with TOPSTEP. It's not my favorite one. Up, this was my expert. Okay. Let me update my accounts. I don't want to show all my accounts, but here is my funded account with TOPSTEP. I have $1,000 on it. Yesterday it was 900 something. I don't even know. But I have multiple accounts. My BULENOX account is right here. I'm only trading 1 or 2 micros on my BULENOX account. But my Apex, I just restarted my Apex. I can't show my Apex. Oh, I can. Oh, it's not connected yet. Anyway, I think, yeah, it's not connected yet. Anyway, I think they are, my favorite is Apex and my funded futures and BULENOX, and not TOPSTEP. TOPSTEP is a great company, don't get me wrong. They are great, awesome. Their new platform, I wouldn't go overboard with it, because $149 activation fee, yeah. I might go for expert account. Does anyone get a future funded account? I don't have a my funded futures funded account, as I said, but you know, if you want to go for a funded account, please use my code or my link. Thank you so much. From the expert account, you can still get some discount. Let me check. No, 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 no. No, nothing there. The static account has a 30% off if you use the link, please, my link, and just type in static 30. It's only valid until tomorrow. The static 30, which is not that bad. So there you go. Static 30 with my funded futures. Promotion ends on the 15th. So tomorrow. 2.1k profit target, which is very good. You can withdraw up to $3,000 every 14 days. Anyway, what's happening on Nasdaq? No, that was the static account. The expert account. I'm looking for some discount codes here. You can always use my code if you're a brand new customer at My Funded Futures. If you're brand new and your first account, and you use my link and you type in my code TOPSTEP, then I think you should be having a 24% discount on the expert. I'm not sure because they're changing so many times the percentages, but maybe only just 5% on the expert. But if you're brand new, you might be able to get a 24% if you type in my code from the expert account, which is a very good deal, also including the activation fee. I don't see any other promotions right now. The only promotion is on the starter accounts with the FEP10 code. So otherwise, again, if you use my link and register as a new customer and my code, you might be, I don't know, I haven't checked it out. I cannot check it on my account on the same code, but you might be able to get a 24% on the expert. You should check it out. No entry, guys. No entry. I wish I would have an entry. It is not bad, yeah. Worst case scenario, my code gives you a 5% discount anyways, but I think they still have the brand new customer first account discount. Gaurav, hey there Gaurav. And by the way, applause for everyone who's here. And nice to see you guys. Nice to see you, Gaurav. I'm checking if I have. Let's just go out to the higher time frame because it seems like we're having some. I mean, nothing really happening here. So NQ, we outlined this area. We have a fair value gap, even seen on the 1 hour. So I'm gonna put a buy side liquidity here. Buy side liquidity right there. So I would like to see the 791 level being targeted once more. But since I have no entry, I'm not going to enter. As we were talking about here, I think Maverick told us, we have fair value gap on the 15-minute here. Now below 30.50, but I would like to see price go down to below 25.25. 25.25. Let's see this level. So this is an area that I would be interested for taking long positions from here. From here. On the left side, well, Asia lows are still in place, so be careful with that. We have liquidity down there as well. Bullish order block down at 632. So be careful. But this here, this barcode chart on the 1 minute is nothing really interesting that I'll be looking for. I can show you what trades I took yesterday. So for example, here on Nasdaq, I took a long in the New York session here. This trade I took after the kill zone and approaching the lunch hour. I took this trade based on this fair value gap here. Ended up in a loss, as you can see, a stop loss. Then the trend has changed and I was just waiting. I was waiting, and then I saw a retracement and I nearly caught this trade. I was looking for this small liquidity or imbalanced price range here as well, so I put my entry right there, and I think this was the best trade I had so far since a few weeks, because price just tapped into this at lunch hour, boom, and then went down 2-to-1 risk to reward. So these were the trades I've taken on the Nasdaq yesterday, New York session. I made a video about it, go check it out. And I also made a trade on the Russell. I know nobody trades it. I know. I got that all the time. Nobody cares about the Russell. This was my trade on the Russell yesterday. Also during, well, the starting at the lunch hour. Moving averages were squeezing together here, collapsing, but then a nice shift occurred. Not the best one, but it still shifted structure here, leaving a fair value gap. Entered. The RSI was still downwards here, so I just entered the trade with the 2-to-1. My MetaTrader indicator system that I'm making the videos, go check out at pip.ninja, was using a much better graphical analogy for this entry here. Actually, I can show you if I have it here. Do I have it here? I think I should. Oh, there you go. I have it. So, come on. So this was the trade on the Russell right here. The same trade. This was the short that I took. And as you can see, this is why this RSI here, I like it very much. It was a beautiful entry. So that's why I took it. Anyway, segue. Oh, let's see. My future expert funded account sounds great. Yeah, you can do one trade a week, no consistency rule. I wonder, is there a limit to withdraw? I think there is no limit, but honestly, the only problem with my funded future is that their frequently asked questions section is pretty much, well, not too many information. You find more information with their chatbot. But anyway, this is what's happening, guys. This is what's happening. So, do consider to grab your discounts. I'm selling accounts, by the way. So again, if you want to grab the best deal, and I'm not sure if it's still working or not, but as a new customer, if you go to My Funded Futures and use my link and my code, you might be able to get a 24% discount on the expert account, or maybe a 40 or 50% discount on the starter. But I don't know, because they're changing so many times. Like, of course, I have affiliate link with 3 or 4 prop firms. They're changing the rules every single, I mean, almost every second day. But you should check out the code, because if you're brand new, you can have it. Also, TOPSTEP, if you have a new account with TOPSTEP, brand new customer, you will have a 20% discount if you use my link. Hi, Tom. My funded FX is a scam. My funded futures below. I know. Is there monthly fees in Apex after you pass? You can choose, Gaurav. You can choose the $85 monthly fee, or there is a $130 or $40 activation fee for lifetime. So you can go with the monthly or you can go with the lifetime. Depends. I don't know, because they're also changing the activation fee from time to time, but I think the lifetime is $130 or $40, just as the same as TOPSTEP or the most of the one. BULENOX has a $148 lifetime activation fee, but Apex offers you to go with the monthly for $85. So if you take the 71% discount plus the first activation fee for the first month, it's still a cheap deal. Yeah, no problem. No problem, Gaurav. You're welcome. But still, the best discount for the starter accounts is My Funded Futures. Activation fee included. Lifetime. So I know Maverick, the owner that Matt Leo or whoever it's called is the same as for My Funded Futures. So same for My Funded Forex, My Funded FX, which is also a marketing company. It's not a real prop firm. Most of these companies are marketing companies, and I like that word. They are marketing companies serving as a face for the backend provider. But everybody goes into the same pool, and they're just hiring these CEOs and cheap prop firms to be their face, you know. But in the background, it all channels into one backend provider. And so My Funded FX is just the same, doing the same thing as the Funded Trader program. Although I still gave a chance, one chance, to My Funded Futures, because so far, as I googled it and I searched it, they have the license and the registration to go hand to hand with the CFTC and SEC. So they have the license for futures, and you know, I like their marketing campaign. I like how they communicate. I like the support so far. I like their plans. I'm not saying that they cannot go down in a week or anything. Any of these prop firms, guys. And that's why right now I'm trading 4 prop firms, 4 separate prop firms linked together in groups. That's what I'm doing. If one goes down, F it, you know. That's how I'm doing, and that's why you guys should be. No, I'm not saying it's safe, Maverick. It's if that's sarcasm, you might be right. You know, but I'm not saying that it's safe. My Funded Futures can also, despite the fact that they're registered with CFTC or they got their license for a American-based or US-based prop firm, that does not mean that they're less safer. I'm just saying that. I'm just saying that I gave them a fair chance to build up the account, and I really hope that I can achieve that. But again, I'm linking together 4 different evaluation accounts and also funded accounts separately, because if one goes down, guys, I want to make sure that I still have at least one more in the bag that I can go with. Apex is one of the oldest, and TOPSTEP is also very good, but the only problem I still have that I cannot manage properly my trades with micros on a 50k funded account. It's super hard. You're forced to trade minis, and I hate that. So I'm very, very careful, and I'm always just scalping a little bit here and there. But with the other accounts, it's great. Apex is great. I don't care about the intraday trailing stop, because if you're managing properly your trades with micros, you won't be having any problems. Trust me on that. If you're doing proper risk management, then you won't be having any problems with the intraday trailing stop. So it's not a problem for Apex with me, and it locks in the trailing stop. So if you're doing everything as you should be doing it, then the trading stop will be locking it at the main balance. So I don't care about that. Apex has good rules. Finally, they're updated their website. Old company, verified, a lot of payouts. TOPSTEP is very good. But I gave a chance to BULENOX too. BULENOX, check them out. Also have a license. They have also end of day. If someone wants that, they also have end of day trailing drawdown rule. So I like BULENOX so far. They are smaller, absolutely they are smaller, but if you look at all these prop firms with futures based in the US, I mean, most of them are fairly new, based only in less than a year ago or 2 years ago. So no, I do not. I do not. Cute pets. I like your names. Cute pets and animals. I like cute pets and animals. Thank you. That's great. I do not trade the Asian session at all, because these markets, Nasdaq and Russell, don't really do anything. If I would be trading, I don't know. Yeah, some Asian future markets, then maybe then, yeah, maybe then I would, but no, I only trade Nasdaq, 80% Nasdaq, I say, and now comes 20% the Russell that I trade. I like the Russell so far. I don't have any major issue with the Russell. So I know you guys hate it, but I like to trade Russell. Let me check, by the way, the possible upside here at the Russell. Can it go up more on the 1 hour or on the 4 hour? There's still some liquidity out there, so it can definitely go. It started to go up crazy right now. Yeah. Yeah. Nothing is happening. Nasdaq is not doing anything, guys. Pretty much flatlined here, just ranging, and I'm not sure if I want to jump into a trade right now. I have no displacement on the 1 minute, so I wish I would have something. Looking for sell under 730. 730. Okay, I see that. I see what you want to do. My target for now that I'm looking for is at 91. And the only reason for that is because of this buy side liquidity on the 15 and the 1 hour. If you look at, 5 minute. Also, we have a bearish order block at 822. So this area has more juice, in my opinion, up there. But that doesn't mean that if you guys want to short on a break, it won't go down. This up here above 91, I like that. I actually like that. So, for example, here, I am pretty much eager to jump in to a trade. Let me check the yeah, could be good. I'm actually looking to jump into this long position here. So 49. All right. Low of this candle 49.50. All right, put limit order at 49.50. Limit order is at 49.50. I'm not tagged in yet. Limit order is at 49.50. 49.50 to go long. I might put this into the signal group as well. It's gonna be a little bit riskier than usual because we're moved pretty much higher here, but I'm putting it anyways. Okay. Just want to make sure that the signal bot is running normally. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys know if I got filled here. Still not filled. Actually, because we are in a fair value gap, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna go with the market order right now. I got in with the market order. Guys, I'm in. My entry is not picture perfect, but I'm in. My entry is 17,750 point. The average is 87. That's crazy. But anyway, I'm in. And I'm gonna be, my stop is at 730.50. Looking for 91. 91.75. Okay, I'm looking for 91 as a final target up there. So let me update you guys on this. It's a risky trade. I put it out to the signal group too, but I have to update. Okay, hold on, guys. I'll be with you in a minute. You have to revoke one. Okay. So right now it goes against me, of course. Hey everyone! Oh my God! I wasn't reading. Where did you put your stop? My stop is below here at 30.50. I'm gonna lose this trade, unfortunately. 50.87. 50.50. So this is my entry. My stop is right here at 30.50 and my TP is at 91. But it looks very bad right now. Looks very bad. I entered too early. That was my problem. But the stop loss would have been, well, I can stretch out my stop, but only with like 2 points at max. Not sure. Not sure. So let's just follow this through. Hi Tom. You could try the 5. Yeah, the 5ers. I heard they're pretty good. Anki looks like it is waking up. Yeah. Good morning, everyone. By the way, Emmanuel. By the way, yeah, Emmanuel. I will check them out. I know them, but haven't heard anything bad. Dude, this trade is just killing me right now. Anyway. I knew that it's going to be risky, but I didn't know that it's going to be this aggressively going against me. I thought that we're going to go for that high at 91. I was pretty sure about that. I had a feeling, Tom. I told you. That's the beauty of trading, you know. That's the beauty. Everybody has their opinion. That's the beauty of it, you know, guys. You know. Yeah, yesterday was an awesome day. It's time to lose, at least for me. Oh, well, this is trading. No, you can't do anything about that. Life in trading. Well, you know, even if it spikes us out, the only thing I'm thinking of is maybe, just maybe, if it wants to go down there and poke this area, do I want to lower my stop with just 2 points? So from 30.50 down to maybe 28.50? Not sure. Because if it breaks lower than this, then if the 5 minute gives up, that's 28.50, maybe 28. So I still have to decide. What if I put my stop a little bit lower? I don't know. Only to 28. Only to 28. 20. Okay, I put my stop 28.50 and I'm lowering my stop here as well. 28.50. Come on, let me. The stop goes to 28.50. Okay, there you go. There's my stop right now. That's my final. I'm not, because if it just pokes this area with one tick, it can take me out. But if it really goes below, then it wants to go for that 5 minute liquidity, and then I would say okay. But I'm not really adding too much more risk to it. That's manageable. So that's it. Risk reward ratio is still 1.85. So I'm good. I'm good with that. Hey, do you remember I asked a week ago if you had any tips because I was in a 1K drawdown? Yes. What happened, Riedel? Guys, push the like button. It might still go up to 91 or 08. Yeah, hopefully. Tom, your BULENOX code are invalid. Really? Hold on. What the hell is going on? What is going on? Let me check it. Guys, why is it not working? I don't know what the hell is going on. Here it is. BULENOX code TOPSTEP1 for option 1. Saved. Coupon is already being used. Please select. Oh yeah, because yeah. Okay. So if I go to affiliate coupons, it says TOPSTEP1, TOPSTEP2, and since nobody bought anything from my coupons, I have 0 here. But it should be working. Option 1 accounts and option 2 TOPSTEP2, TOPSTEP1, TOPSTEP2. You should check it out. I don't know why it's not working. It should be working. I don't know what the hell is going on. You're plus 100. Oh, you were down 1K and now you're at plus 100. Now that is commendable. Congratulations. Nice. Very nice, very nice. I don't know what the hell is going on with the BULENOX codes, man. Maybe, I don't know. I'm sorry about that. Maybe I'm gonna go with the default codes then. I don't know why they're not working. Yeah, trader dream. We're stuck here, guys. We're stuck here. I'm stuck in this trade. Oh, by the way, what the heck is going on with the Russell? I do like the Russell. Russell. I went long with you, but chickened out. Get out the small loss. Methodical Man is here. Guys, we have a celebrity. We have a streamer celebrity in the house. Methodical Man. They will work in the morning. Oh, okay. They will work in the morning. Transition time to a new sale. Oh, okay. Okay. Alright, guys. So you have to wait until the New York morning or something like that until the codes are going to work. Do not use any codes from Methodical Man. Only use my codes. Alright? No, really. Just joking. I'm an idiot, you know, guys. By the way, go and check out Methodical Man's stream. He's streaming every day in New York and London as well, I think. Check him out. Subscribe to Methodical Man. You're currently short. Alright. The ultimate battle. Go check his stream out. Go to Methodical Man. Subscribe to his channel. He's a great guy, helped me a lot, and he streams every day, and he is trading like 240 or 250 evaluation accounts at the same time. So it's really awesome. His trade copier is lagging all the time, like, you know, like I think he has, like, last night he had 242 evaluation accounts, so he's a big shot, just saying. But okay, this is my only trade right now. Gamecraft, hey there, welcome. Not sure. Well, who cares about BULENOX, right? Or the trades. So if anyone just jumped in, I just want to say that the only reason why I took this long because I want to go towards this liquidity up there. To the left we have bearish order block, 1 hour, 15 minute, 5 minute liquidity area. Looks juicy, but that still doesn't mean that it's not gonna dump all the way to the 5 minute or 15 minute fair value gap down there. I know. We have a nice fair value gap, so whatever, you know, I took the trade. If I got stopped out, so be it. Anyone can get wrecked anytime. That's the beauty of it. That's the beauty of trading. I might get wrecked here. This is definitely dangerous because we have the 15-minute fair value gap below us. So if price want to grab something more, then I'm toasted. I'm also looking at the Russell. If I see anything, I'm gonna let you guys know, but nothing for me right now. So far so good. I'm also long, so don't worry. Alright, since Gamecraft told us that he's long, we should be fine. Targeting equal lows below. Yeah, we have some equal lows, definitely right here. Boom, boom, boom. 1, 2, 3, almost 4 equal lows. I don't like that. Is there any kind of solution that the viewers can bet which one of us are gonna reach the take profit level, Methodical Man or me, you know? That would be awesome. I don't like stuck here in this drawdown. Volume is drying up and I don't know if we're gonna get, you know, we're gonna get there or not. Look at that. I thought that it's gonna gain some momentum, but just stopped. Okay, it's 38.75. No, equal lows are here at the 30s, 30.50-ish area, you know, with some butter on it, you know, 30, 31. So yeah, 55.25 equal highs. 55.25. Where? 55.25. On which time frame? The 1 second? Just joking. 55.25. There's nothing there. We have a high at 57. It will. Believe. Just believe, you know, as Morpheus said in the Matrix. Just believe. That's what you have to do. Just believe. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Why I'm yawning here. 52.91. I don't know. I'm still checking. We might have an entry on BULENOX. BULENOX on the BULENOX account, which I'm trading on the Russell. Okay. This is gonna be super risky for me, guys. Okay. 80 point. Oh my god. 80. Oh shit. Okay. Where should be my stop? Right there, 78. All right. Entered to a long position on the Russell. I'm long on Russell. Super dangerous. Do not do what I do. But I'm long on Russell. Gonna give you my entry is 1980.7. Do not do what I do. 1980.7. Stop is right below here. I'm gonna update. I might want to give this trade out to the signal group as well. Oh no, it's super risky. Damn it. It might take me out, but I'm gonna use a lower stop on the signal group. Or I'm just not taking the trade. Oh yeah, I might not even gonna take the trade. Damn it, I don't like this. It's gonna take me out. I'm doing, oh yeah, okay. It's going down. My stop is still there. Okay, my stop is at 78. Not good. And my take profit should be at 85.80. 85.80. Okay. I messed up this one. Unfortunately. I messed this one up real good. So my only good trade is right now that might be good is on the Nasdaq. I'm gonna update you guys on the Russell. It doesn't look good. Doesn't look good. NQ failed. Yeah. NQ failed, unfortunately. So there's going to be two stop losses for me. Which I don't like. Yeah, yesterday, 2 days before was the same. Still ended up in profit. By the end. How's Russell doing so far? Not too good. Okay. All right, I'm putting out this trade, and we'll see how it goes, but unfortunately it doesn't really look good. Oh my god, I'm gonna lose the Russell trade. No way. NQ is still hovering though, but nothing extra. I was so sure about that entry. It was looking so good that I was like, this is gonna be it. This is the trade. Okay. So I have two trades and both of them in almost at the, okay. One was taken out by stop, so unfortunate, but it is what it is. I got taken out here. In the signal group, I lowered my stop, so the FTMO account is still in the trade. It just poked me out here. Otherwise, we're still in. That's a shame. My Russell trade just got poked out. I was only risking $70 on that particular trade, so I'm not that pissed off. But I really wanted to see how NQ develops here. I really wanted to see some development here. To the upside. But the problem is, yeah, we have this liquidity down there, the 15-minute relative equal lows. It can easily pop down, and no pop down, just slip down here, boom, and that's it. No worries. On the Russell, I was looking for the 1 hour levels before the stream. I wanted to look for some buy side up there. I might not get it. On the FTMO account, I'm still in the Russell trade, the US 2000 cash instrument. It's still in it. It only survived with one tick or two. As for my Russell trade, it's terrible. It's terrible. I was really hoping that it will go okay, but it didn't. Alright, I'm not hopping all over the charts. We're just gonna wait for this one. And let's see what's happening. NA looking bullish, but may pull back. Yeah, NQ, yeah, NQ, yeah. Yeah, it can. It looks nice. I like these targets up there, but I don't like the fact that it's out of steam. We're just ranging. It can just dip down, sweep some more liquidity here down there, and then go up. So, not my favorite. Not my favorite situation right now. But I'm still going to wait. The two trades I put on, I don't know if you guys can see it here. I'm still in the Russell trade on the FTMO account. You can see I'm still in those two. The stop loss was lower. This is in my signal room as well. I'm still in. Who knows what's gonna happen, but I'm still in that trade. The indicator was indicating me to go long, actually here in this area. This was my entry, and I lowered, while I saw this go down, I lowered my stop, but that doesn't mean it's not gonna go back down. What else do we have? I was really looking for that trade. But for now, we're just gonna stick with the Nasdaq, guys. That's the only thing. That's the only thing. Yes, yes, of course. It could be, hopefully, it could be just this range can be accumulating positions and then go for the next move, hopefully to the upside. But, you know, buyer above 752 and seller below 7. Yeah, of course. Everybody knows that there are sellers here. I mean, of course, yes. There has to be. And 52, yeah, of course, at these highs. Most of the time, Bookmap actually shows these levels, which is obvious that we should be having liquidity around these swing points. But, you know. Power of 3 could be, I don't know, depending on which time frame, you know, because the power of 3, at least ICT said at least once, I heard him say that you can see the power of 3 on every time frame, on the monthly, the weekly, and even on the 5-second chart. You can see the power of 3 on every single time frame. Now the question is, which time frame are we talking about? Are we talking about this 1 minute time frame? Because if yes, then accumulation, unfortunate manipulation to the downside and distribution, or accumulation right now with this whole move, manipulation to the upside, and then boom, distributed to the downside. Now who knows the answer? Power of 3, Camille. Come on, Camille, you're smarter than that. You should know that, Camille. Come on. Come on, Camille. Come on. If you don't know, Google is your friend. Or YouTube. ICT's, one of ICT's concept. One of the 85 concepts is power of 3. You know that. You know that. Don't play this game with me. Camille knows that. You're smarter than that. I'm gonna show you a clip. Hold on.
Screw that. I busted my ass keeping Lois busy so I could be here. Now let's grip it and rip it. The Fed is going to be lowering rates, so get your money out of T-bills.
Okay, this is going to be awesome. Let's watch this clip together. Let's watch this clip together.
The Fed is going to be lowering rates, so get your money out of T-bills and put it all into waffles. Tasty waffles with lots of syrup. Waffles! Buy waffles! Waffles!
This is how it goes, guys. Waffle. It's in the Bible. I don't know if it's in the ICT Bible, but there's a lot of come on, Camille. You're better than that. The power of 3. That's how simple. You just go to YouTube, power of 3, and you will find 2 tons of videos about Power of 3. See? There's a lot. Power of 3 simplified. ICT concepts. From dire dips trading. There you go. 10-minute video. That's it. That's how simple it is, guys. Power of 3. Along with me? Alright. Why are you guys laughing? On the waffles? Waffle! Waffle! Everybody buy waffle. The Fed is lowering rates, guys. Everybody buy waffles. Waffle! What is happening? What is happening with the Russell? I might give a second chance to the Russell here, but only. What is happening? What is happening? What is happening? Not gonna lie, I like this trade, but I don't know how long is it gonna go up. Okay. In hindsight, I put on a second trade with a lower position on the Russell, but I'm not calling it out. Yeah, 85. I'm gonna go with that. My entry is at 80. I don't like this anyway. NQ is refusing to do its job. So I'm still in a trade. Hold on. I'm out. Did not like that move. Down 25. No way, dude. Why did you exit? Why did you exit? So I re-entered to Russell with a smaller position, just to see if it goes as I originally wanted to. And this is my last attempt with the Russell in this session. My entry is 1980. So then I'm using a little bit wider stop. Entry is 1980. Using a tight stop. And I'm going for 85. That's it. That's my second Russell trade. Do not take it. I did not send it out. This is not official. It's just it's lower. Lower value that I took earlier. But I liked the fact that we could be taking out this area up there. Yeah, so that's my second chance for the Russell trade, and if it's not working out, then so be it. I don't care. I'm gonna hold my NQ. Wait for it. NQ gonna pop. I'm waiting. I'm definitely in the trade. Gamecraft Trades is in with me in this trade, so this is gonna be interesting. Drop some likes and send some money if you're rich, because I'm not. We're gonna lose my. I'm gonna lose my ass here on these trades. Anyway, what do we have? Secondary entry, maybe on the Russell, maybe. Well, we still have to go like a little bit much. I mean, you know, comparing to the London session, like 35 points is, I mean, we have to go. We have to go still quite a lot. Still a lot to go. Anyway, I gave a second chance to my Russell trade, and I'm holding this one for the highs. Let me know what you guys think. In with 4 mini, dude, that's too much. Oh, what kind of account do you have there? 60, you're out. You're out at 60. What? So you made money then? You're out. You're out at 60. All right. No way. Winner of the day is Gamecraft Trades. Everybody, hold on. Winner of the day is Gamecraft Trades. I hope everyone got that from this. Winner of the day is Gamecraft Trades with $1,500. Damn it. Alright. FOMO hitting hard. Come on, Maverick. It's still not 100% sure we're gonna get there. It can just dump, you know, easily. It can easily dump. So easily dump. You know, we can also see this going all the way until the New York AM session. It can just, you know what can happen, Maverick? This can happen. Maybe, hopefully. I don't know. Even it goes backwards as well, like this. But all the way until the New York kill zone, this one can just do like this. So still don't know what it wants. So I'm in the Russell. My Russell entry is at 90.80. Stop loss is 77.4. Take profit is 85. Second entry for the Russell. The risk reward is almost 1 to 2. I'm not taking partials, not doing anything. I'm just waiting for it to go for it, and that's it basically. NQ is still in the green. Who knows for how long? And yeah. Buy waffles, guys. That's all I can say. Buy waffles. Have to go and buy those waffles. No other chance for it, you know. Buy waffles.
Look, maybe we should play another time. Let's grip it and rip it. The Fed is going to be lowering rates, so get your money out of T-bills and put it all into waffles. Tasty waffles with lots of syrup.
Waffles! Buy waffles! 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 Waffles!
I can't get enough of this video. It's just so awesome. Waffle. All right. All right. So, what you guys are doing? Oh, by the way, the BULENOX codes might be only active after the morning. I mean, after in the New York AM session, 83% off. But if you are brand new with my funded futures, use my link. Yeah, waffle, waffle. I love that video. Waffle. And you know, guys, that video from South Park, and it's gone. Anybody knows that video? And it's gone. You just put it to mutual safety funds and foreign exchange markets, and it's gone. We just put the money in some mutual saving funds, and blah, 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 and it's gone. And it's gone. Oh, I love that video. Trader Oracle, hey there. Welcome, welcome. And it's gone. I'm not sure I can share videos from other creators because that's against the YouTube guidelines. I don't want to. Maybe I already did something bad because I shared the Family Guy video. But anyway, I'm going to get an email later from YouTube that I shouldn't do that. Maybe I shouldn't. But the thing is, I can cut it out from my stream, and they're still going to let my stream on if I cut it out from the VOD, which they let me do that. Waffle. I mean, in the past few months, I mean, I was only using copyright-free music or copyright-free everything, but you know. Still, I receive some emails sometimes that, so for example, there's a playlist that says copyright free, and I play some songs from that playlist, which is cool. But then the creator is changing the copyright policy on his or her song, and that reflects on my stream as well, because YouTube says an email or sends an email to me that, hey, we saw on your video that you were using this and that as a song or audio, and the creator has changed its copyright policy, so you have the options to delete the video or cut it out from your video or whatever, or mute the video. And that is crazy. So what I think I'm gonna do is I might not even going to use music anymore, background music in the streams or in the videos, because as the creators are messing with the copyright policy, YouTube keeps sending me emails, and I don't want to get a strike or anything. This is crazy. So, or maybe I'm just gonna do on live streams the virtual what's that, audio cable. It's the software that I can stream music, live stream, but on the VOD, it's not going to be on the VOD. There's going to be no music on the VOD. Anyway, I don't know. I'm just talking out loud here. How is everybody doing? Any trades you guys are into or whatever? What are you guys doing? This is the only trade I'm into right now on Nasdaq and Russell, these two. We're just waiting. I'm sorry. No action here. Just the waiting game. Ah, the Russell goes against me again. No way. Not again. Oh man, what a day. What a day. NQ stuck. Yeah, we might gonna have to babysit this thing until New York session. It doesn't look good at all, but it is what it is. Mm-hmm. I have to drink more water. Ba-da-ba-ba. Russell is still hovering there. NQ is still there. So not too much things are happening right now. NQ doing some pop-ups here and there. Still going for that 91, hopefully. I hope. So let's see. If you guys are curious what's my entry model, go and visit pip.ninja. And there's a small 5-minute video there. Go ahead and watch it. And I'm going to be updating that video too by time to time. But it's a small mini course, only $49. So we are spending much more money on prop firm accounts. This specific entry model helped me to get funded. Helped me to achieve, I mean, not profitability, because of course, yes, I was profitable. I was pulling out money from TOPSTEP, but still helped me to stick to certain rules with the system that helped me to do these evaluations, the funded accounts, everything. So anyway, watch the video there. I think it's actually good, and it's only $49 for the mini course, 50 minutes overall, so it's not going to change the trading universe for you, but I explain in details how I choose my trades, how I enter my trades. Of course, you still have to learn market structure and basic market insights. That's not what I'm doing in the course. But there are some custom indicators you can download. Also some setup that you can use with TradingView, and the exact entry model I can teach you in the mini course. It's $49. Check it out, pip.ninja. That was the commercial. Non-refundable. Sorry, I just had to say. And lifetime Discord access after the course, and you can access to my trade setups, some educational material. Not too many people on the Discord yet, but you know, I'm working on it, and hopefully we'll get the community popping slowly, but you know, sooner or later. Go check it out. So these are the only trades I have now, and let's check the Russell. Hello Teacher FX, what's up, man? What's up? Good to see you, one of our members here. Good to see you. Highly speculative long from 762.75. Well, you know, 762. It's actually with a 1-to-1 risk reward is not a bad trade, I would say. I'm still in these trades. Actually, I can show you if you guys don't believe me, because I know you guys don't believe me in that. But how do I? Is there a way I can show you these? I don't want to expose my real name. No, it's Thomas Sabo. That's my real name. So there, these are my trades right now. You guys can see it. I'm copy trading the BULENOX account to the Apex and to the My Funded Futures account. So for transparency reasons, you guys can see how I'm copy trading all these. Okay, so I'm not too much of a profit in right now. $96, $80. So right now I'm trading 3 accounts with a copy trader, and that's it. So there you go, transparency. And if you are curious why I'm trading it, as I said, go to pip.ninja. All right, that was the position tab. Transparency, guys. I always tell you that. Transparency. I don't like all those little candles on ES. 1 minute moving, breaking from one single candle can wipe. Yes. Yes, exactly. ES. ES is definitely a little slow, but let's check out. I haven't really checked out ES this morning. The problem is that it tapped into this liquidity right here, and buy side. Look at this. ES just tapped into buy side, so that is going to make hard for NQ to go higher, especially after this dip. So just as you said, Crypto Panda, this candle can pull down, and it's pulling down already Nasdaq. I don't like that. I know. I'm not a goat. I'm crazy because it was my second chance for the Russell already, so it's it doesn't look that good. But hey, by using this mechanical system, how should I say, I tried to learn how to hold on to these trades, and that's it. What can I say? NQ always pulls. I think at this point ES is the one that's pulling down everything, because it poked into that liquidity and turned down, and look at that, NQ already. Of course, we have an overbought situation, which is not technically overbought, but the RSI is pretty much up there, so we can see some retracements. No, I am not basing my trades solely on the RSI. I'm just using it to see some kind of a, just to see how, what can we expect from the market. But anyway, come on. I'm sorry, I'm pushing these charts all around. Russell is still there. I think we had the take profit in the signal group. Yeah, the FTMO account reached take profit. On the Russell. I'm not sure I want to babysit this all day long. As much as it looks interesting, I might lose it. So it can easily dip down and boom, just go down to that 15-minute gap down there, and we're done basically. So I'm not taking partials here. With my model that I'm trading, I decided to go all in, and 80 or 90% of the time I go for the 1 to 2 risk to reward, and I just let the trade do its thing to breathe, move on, move all the way up and down, and finally, hopefully, my analysis would be correct, and you know, it goes as it should be. All right, boys, have a good one. Thank you for being here, Zoltan. Thank you, Zoltan. See you next week. And yeah, some day job because I'm safe my water. See you next time, Zoltan. So, it's a big question mark how NQ is going to behave at this point. It's a big question. Oh man, I have to go back to sleep. P Trader, wow. What's up, P Trader? yeah, I get scared. I have goosebumps all over me right now. Alright, see, man, I think I did my part here. Okay, alright, Gamecraft. Congratulations again, and hope to see you next time. Thank you for being here. Guys, don't forget to push some like buttons there. Push those likes. Push this stream, and subscribe to the channel if you like the content or what we're talking about here. The trades are, you know, sometimes good, sometimes not so much, but, you know, I'm still in the Russell, still in NQ. Don't know what's gonna happen. But we're still holding this. And by the way, check out my small mini course. It's only $49. Yes, I am selling a mini course. It's for the benefit of the stream, and I can pay some bills. It's only $49, and it's a 50-minute mini course about the exact indicators and system that I use. I have a custom MetaTrader indicator as well. I know you guys hate MetaTrader. I don't care. It's still good. And it's going to be coded for MetaTrader 5, and we're looking to a solution that we put this on as a custom indicator for TradingView, but I have a guy who's working on it, and it's not going to be cheap, but the indicators are working cool. And come on. So this is the indicator. On MetaTrader, we already had a take profit on the Signal group in the Discord, and you can also get a lifetime Discord access with the mini course. So $49 plus tax if your country demands tax for digital products like online courses. All right, that's by the law. It's not because of me, but if there is tax on your checkout page, it's because of the law in your country. Some countries you don't need to pay tax for online digital courses. Some countries you do. I cannot do anything about that, but it's only $49. Okay, what are we doing here? The 83% BULENOX code, it might gonna be activated at the New York morning, so it might not be active right now. Indicators or TradingView are really good tools, especially when backtested and worked into repeatable simple edges to follow. Yeah, the shitty part is when you have the proven edge and keep chasing candles. Yes. Yeah, so I did my fair share of trade analysis in the past, well, years, especially in the past 1 year in 2023, and most of my losses came from those kind of trades where I was chasing the trade, where the price already went up or down and it already made the move and I jumped in and it wiped me out. On M1 chasing one confluence when damn sure you know my, yeah. Quality set us acquires several matching confirming confluences. Yes. Nasdaq Dragon. Nasdaq Dragon. He knows. He knows. Still in the Russell trade. And if you guys are curious why I'm using these kind of setups, why I trade the way like this, again, pip.ninja, it's a 5-minute video there. I explain it to you guys. Just watch it to the end. 5 minutes. It's not going to be taking too much time of your life. And it's $49. You don't have to jump into the course, but watch the video. I have some good reasons why I'm using these indicators, right? And that's it. Yeah. Okay. Also comes with a lifetime Discord access, so. I wish I didn't, but it's on me lacking discipline and patience. So you're talking about you're chasing the trade, M1 chasing, on M1 chasing one confluence when damn sure no my high quality setup. Yeah, without those two qualities I'll be no. Yeah, that's right. Nasdaq Dragon sharing some great wisdom here. Absolutely right. You're right. On the point. On the point. Guys, if you like the stream, please subscribe and push the like button, because there's some interesting content is gonna come in the future. Trust me on that. And it's gonna be awesome. Still in the trade there on Nasdaq. And also, if you want a starter account from My Funded Futures for $90, I know it's more expensive than an Apex or a TOPSTEP, but there's no activation fee on the $90 account. Hey, Hello Teacher FX is still not a W. We're far from W. The Russell is still not at take profit level yet, so. Not there yet. I wish we would be, but we're still not there. Still not at the W. If we'll get there, we will get there. W for the interesting content. All right, all right. Thank you. Yeah, it will be. I'm already. It's already in the making. I'm gonna be doing some editing there. It's gonna be about discipline and how you can, if you have the time, how easy it is to build up your evaluation account, for example. I'll try to simplify it for you guys. Not that I'm a professional or anything, but I'm going to be talking about my own experiences. So, somebody subscribed. Elsvidi, wow, thank you so much, and applause for the subscription. Welcome on the channel. By the way, if anybody subscribed and doesn't hear a bell ringing, and then that's because, oh, and Raja Dawood, oh my god, sorry, Raja Dawood and Elsvidi, both of them, applause. Nice discount. Well, I'll try my best, but anyway, if somebody didn't hear the ringing bell, it's because your YouTube is set to private, and that's why the alert doesn't go off. So just write a text or something. I'm happy to give you an applause if you subscribe to the channel. Nice discount. I don't really think how long are these discounts are gonna work out. BULENOX has a good one with 83% on the option 1 account, but it seems like they're not activating the codes until the New York opens, so you can try it out later. But my funded futures 50K account for $90, activation fee lifetime included, is the best choice, is the cheapest choice right now on the market. So that's the cheapest one. But my favorite, yeah, I know. Sorry, yeah, I'm a little slow this morning, but I understood. And still, Apex is good for a 71% discount, and you can have a 1-day pass right now. So if you just want to YOLO it, like in Las Vegas, and you want to do like a kamikaze trader, you can pass the Apex accounts in 1 single day and you get funded. If you know what you are doing, then you should buy some Apex accounts. And yeah, very cheap. Yeah. Yeah, the My Funded Futures account, the true cost, as Patrick Wieland also says, the true cost of funding is the cheapest is My Funded Futures. The true cost, including the activation fee. But if you just want to, you know, go with the cheapest upfront cost, it's going to be BULENOX and Apex right now. BULENOX and Apex is going to be the cheapest for now, with only the upfront costs. My highest probability setup is pretty much, let's say, M3 and M1 time frame side by side. Go long on NQ when price action is top of 20, 200 EMA, VWAP, SM. Okay. MACD. Bullish short visor free cash setup. I like that, actually. Nas the Dragon. I like that kind of approach. I like that you're having all these check marks, you know. I like that. Russell is almost at take profit. Okay, Russell just closed. Yes, the Russell just closed with take profit. I think we deserve this. Yeah, so the Russell finally did not let me down, and I'm happy for that. Let's see how the others will do. Funny, I never actually ever taken that high quality A+ setup consistently. No, don't be hard on yourself, Nas the Dragon. Do not go hard on yourself. It's not a shame on you. There is a reason for that, and you know what, guys? I'm gonna share something with you. It's in my Notion. I don't wanna. Oh, I pushed the wrong button here. Sorry about that. It's in my Notion. So, for example, I'm gonna show you something about. Just give me a second. Oh, sorry. Like this. This is fine now. Okay. I have to rearrange this stuff. Yes, Apex have a 1-day pass right now, Bray. Apex has a 1-day pass. So I'm just gonna show you something from for example, This is yesterday. I made $149. Do a trading journal. This is one page from my trading journal. I don't want to share everything, but this is how I write my trading journal. I wasn't at my computer during London session. After reviewing potential trades I missed, it appears it would have been a break-even day. I began the New York session waiting for the market to correct following CPI on upheaval. As always, patience paid off this time. Today marked the first day I simultaneously copied all my... yesterday was the first day I copied all my evaluations. As copying, need to continually remind myself to trust the system and the edge. I wrote this to myself, guys. This is some personal notes here. I need to continually remind myself to trust the system and the edge. These are the most crucial elements. It seems that taking profits with R2 is the right approach, along not meddling with my stop. I should just let the trade evolve and provide it some leeway. The only thing I might need to consider for take profits are significant levels. In such scenarios, I might close some trades earlier than 2 hours. During the New York session, I had 2 successful trades. Patiently waited for my entry after the CPI report. The first trade was an NQ. So this is how I do my personal journal. I do the screenshot. I review how I entered, why I entered. And I'm not saying that you should do the same, but this is a way to do it. I just showed you a little bit of an insight how I journal my trading days. So I know many of you guys don't journal. I'm not saying it's a bad thing, but journaling for me definitely helped. So yeah. Anyway, that's how I do things. So yeah, grab my codes. Apex has a 1-day pass. If you YOLO it, and if you're a little bit lucky, then you can be funded today or by the next day. So you can be funded for tomorrow, until tomorrow. At tomorrow, maybe tomorrow, by tomorrow, by tomorrow. Yeah. I bought yesterday Apex 80%. Thank you, Erkan. Thank you so much. Thank you for using my code. I do appreciate it. You know, only a few dollars here and there, but that goes for the good health of the stream. And I really appreciate that. Anyone who is using my code or link, I really appreciate that. Well, so far, the kill zone is ending. And as much as I like being here with you guys, I think I'm just going to cut it here because I'm not going to babysit this one. I'm going to leave the take profit level and everything just the way it is. Hopefully it will get to take profit, hope. But it can just, you know, go sideways until the New York session, or even go down, maybe even take me out with a huge dip here. So anyway, hope for the best, guys. I love that everyone was here. I'll try to be here in the New York session too. Make sure to come back, push the like button, subscribe. Go to pip.ninja, watch my video, only 5 minutes. And I explained to you why I did the mini course, why I'm using this system, my exact entry model. Okay, pip.ninja. And see you guys at the next time. Thank you so much for everyone being here and all the support. You guys are fantastic. I love you all. See you in the New York session. Have a good morning, nice morning, evening, day, whatever you want. See you guys.